Yes.
Diplomatic actions between the war in India and Pakistan. What's your position?
Oh, it's so terrible. My position is I get along with both. I know both very well, and I want to see them work it out. I want to see them stop. And hopefully they can stop now. They've gone tit for tat, so hopefully they can stop now. But I know both. We get along with both the countries very well, good relationships with both, and I want to see it stop. And if I can do anything to help, I will be there.
US President Donald Trump has made his strongest statement yet on the rising tensions between India and Pakistan. Reacting to India's precision strikes on terrorist camps in Pakistan, Trump said at the White House, "I want to see them stop. We get along with both countries very well, good relationships with both, and I want to see it stop. And if I can do anything to help, I will be there." End quote. This comes just hours after India launched Operation Sindoor, a targeted operation against 9 terrorist infrastructure sites across Pakistan and Pakistan-occupied Kashmir. The airstrikes were in retaliation to last month's barbaric terror attack in Pahalgam, Jammu and Kashmir. The Indian Defence Ministry said the mission was a precise and restrained response and that no Pakistani military facilities were hit. It described the move as a calibrated and non-escalatory aimed solely at holding the perpetrators accountable. Key targets included Murdik, believed to be the headquarters of Lashkar-e-Taiba, and Bhavalpur, the base of the Jaish-e-Mohammed. Both outfits are accused of carrying out the Pahalgam terror strike. The Pakistan Army has confirmed that strikes hit Kotli and Muzaffarabad in Pakistan-occupied Kashmir and 2 major cities in Punjab province. Prime Minister Shehbaz Sharif said attacks occurred at 5 locations and issued a sharp warning. Pakistan retains the right to respond forcefully. Simultaneously, Pakistan has continued its daily ceasefire violations along the line of control. Fresh artillery fire was reported from the Bimbar Gully area in the Poonch Rajouri sector. President Trump, addressing a media question, also said the US had anticipated that something was going to happen, given the past record between the two nations. He made a verbal slip, saying the two countries have fought for decades and centuries, but added, "I just hope it ends very quickly." India has reportedly briefed several key nations, including US National Security Advisor Marco Rubio, about the operation. Stay tuned for more updates.